I am Sultan Abdulaziz, Sultan Mahmud II, and the son of Pertevniyal Sultan Aybos. Born in Istanbul in February 1830. During my reign, I organized many reforms in battles, like my ancestors, but later, nervous diseases prevented me from doing so. I ruled the Ottoman state from 1861 to 1876. During my reign, there were many rebellions against the kings and judges. I died on June 4th, 1876, in what is now Faria restaurant. I was buried in the mausoleum of Sultan Mahmud II.